Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper in the additional of Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, October 26th, 2021. We have here, we have here 9 extra puzzles. 9, yes. The first one is a 1 star. Second one a 2 stars. The third one a 3 stars. The fourth one a 4 stars. Then we have a tectonic with a 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. A killer Sudoku. Binary puzzle number 1. Binary puzzle number 2. And those 2 puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 9 extra puzzles, and I won't do them all. Only 5 of them I will solve, and those are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, a killer Sudoku, and I think I will do this time a binary puzzle number 2. There are less printed digits than this one. Yes, let me do this one, the binary puzzle 2. Alright, but first we will solve this baby number 3589. 3589. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 3 ones, 3 twos, 4 threes, 3 fours, 1 2 fives, 3 sixes, 1 7, 2 eights, 3 nines. Okay. So let me see the 3. I cannot do anything with the 3. Okay. So I think this puzzle has a lot of pairs. Aha. The third column. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this big square, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 here in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. Then. We have 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So no row between the middle row. Only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. How about the 3 in the first row, the 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait for more information. How about yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 909 in these two boxes. There 909 in those two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle row, so on the row above. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Alright. 4 missing numbers now. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in the third column, 8 in the one of these two boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. And we have a pair, 2 and a 5 in this row, 2 and a 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 2 and the 5 should be in those two boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. So 1 box left in this row for the number 8. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me think. How about 1, 7, 5? Interesting. 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. 8. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And with a pair, 1 and 8 in this column, 1 and 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 1 and 8 should be in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 8, we see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there, 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 909 in these two boxes. Here 909 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. I've marked those two boxes with the 9 earlier, but now we have a 9 there, so no 9 in this box. The only place for the 9 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9. These two boxes in this big square. Here we have the 2 and the 5. The other pair should be the numbers 1, the 2, the 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Alright. Okay. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. 2 numbers left in the first column. Those numbers are, the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7. We see here 1 and 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1 box left in the second column. For the numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Yes. 5 is missing. Alright. Then. How about? Let me see. 2, 5, and 6. Interesting. 7, 9, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are, we have here the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 6, 9, 6, 7, 9. We have a 7 and a 6 in this column. So no 7 and a 6 in this box. The 7 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 6. We share 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Yeah. 6. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s. Oh, not used. Now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 2. Now I can count. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4. Number 5. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 6. That means 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Okay. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2 is missing. Okay, so we have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, We already have a 2 here. Almost made the mistake. Oh, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3. Yeah, the 3 is missing. Wow. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, a 1 is missing. And a 2 is missing. We see here 1, a 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6. We see here 1, a 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time, because for 3 stars, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 60 minutes. So is this really a 3 stars? No. It's rather a 2 stars, because for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 60 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.